What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And for today's video guys, I have several quite interesting news. I will show you that Don Fis will explain his recent results during his trip to Washington DC. And it will happen in just several hours. On top of that, I will show you that inside our community we have some issues. Unfortunately, we have some issues, and I will explain you my point of view on this problem. Then I will show you that Rubinstein is trying to erase his presence from different websites and from different activities. And at the end of this video, I will share my personal story, and I highly suggest you to watch this video till the very end, because it is very important for me personally. So, and before we dive deep into all of this, guys, please hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. It is the easiest way how we can push our case forward, because the more likes this video has, the more likely it will be pushed to the broader audience by YouTube algorithm. That is why just hit the like button. So, and let's start with the news itself. You know that just recently Don Fis and his team were in Washington DC, and they had about 100 meetings during a couple of weeks, and these meetings was extremely useful for the community. And for now, Don Fis made this tweet just 15 hours ago. He wrote, "Set a reminder for my upcoming space. Don, Matt, Jen, Curtis, Kim, Congress wrap up, burners welcome." And as you can see, it will take place within, I guess, 13 hours from the point when I made this video. And it is Eastern European time, because I live in Europe. And guys, I highly suggest you to set a reminder if you want to know more about his results. And definitely, it might be very important for the community. On top of that, Bailey Devereaux wrote this tweet in response to Don Fis' tweet. She wrote, "Get a subpoena." And Don Fis wrote, "Trying, LOL." So, his main intention during this trip to District Columbia was definitely the attempt to issue a subpoena through the Congress members, and we don't know will it be filed or not, but we definitely have to find it out via this space call. So, let me show you further. Unfortunately, we still have some problems inside our community. You know that Mark Basile and Due Diligence, they have quite opposite point of view on the same issue, and that is why they have some issues inside their relationships, inside their conversations. And guys, to be honest, I don't want to dive deep inside this problem. I just see that Mark and Drew, they are trying to help MMTLP community, and they do it quite differently. And I don't mind if someone can use his own approach in order to achieve our goal. The main goal is still the same. We have to solve the major MMTLP problem, and if it happens through Due Diligence's way or Mark Basile's way, I don't mind at all. And that is why, guys, I don't like this type of scandals inside the community. But it is what it is. We just have to be patient, and we have to respect each other. So, let's continue with other news. RareDD just several hours ago wrote this. "I have no problem with the idea of a short position transferring from a publicly traded security to a private non-tradable security. But if the market is supposed to be fair and orderly, wouldn't the issue be involved beforehand in explaining how exactly short positions can close after the being allowed to transfer?" And this is quite interesting question. Something tells me that if this detail isn't established beforehand, it's likely an indication that the issuer didn't intend to allow in short positions to transfer. You'd think after so many years that this would have been addressed and that rules would be in place. Or is it that MMTLP is the first time that a regulator created such a situation? The first image below shows the incorrect MMTLP share cancellation and effective dates in corporate actions. And guys, he added several screenshots, basically 4 of them, and he explains what did he publish here. The second image shows Charles Schwab and TD Ameritrade communicating the incorrect share cancellation date to their clients. The third image shows FINRA acknowledging the correct share cancellation date multiple times, 3 months after U3 halting MMTLP. The fourth image shows proof that the correct dates were public information before FINRA created the MMTLP corporate actions. Happy Resurrection Day. And guys, I think you have to, if you haven't watched where did this video, major 2 hours long video where he explains all the issues that happened with MMTLP for last couple of years, definitely you should do so. But if you don't like this type of long videos, you can simply just read his Twitter account on a daily basis, because he explains a lot from his due diligence, and definitely this information is worth your attention if you want to know more about the current status of our story. So let me show you quite interesting tweet that was made by Trading Secrets by Ali. He wrote, MMTLP, Ari Rubinstein seems to have been wiped from FINRA's website and wiped from FINRA's history on the Internet Archive website Wayback Machine. This certainly seems extreme. What is there to hide? And it is quite interesting statement, and yes, we know that Ari Rubinstein, the head of GTS Securities, and GTS Securities is one of the companies who traded for the first time MMTLP back in, I guess, October of 2021, and potentially Ari Rubinstein might be in charge of this illegal activity. And basically for now, we don't know where Ari Rubinstein is, because he disappeared several months ago, and it is quite weird, but potentially it proves that something was wrong with his behavior and with his actions. So let me show you another quite interesting evidence on the same topic. And here you can see the tweet that was made by Gandalf a couple of years ago, and this tweet proves that it is not the first time when Ari Rubinstein tried to disappear. Gandalf wrote, Ari Rubinstein, investigation suddenly removed from Cartel Law's website, has been donating to Congress, here's proof. He added this link. Interesting thoughts, Ari GTSX. I will leave this up to everyone's interpretations. And yes, I think Ari and any other person who has a lot of money, they can do pretty much everything. They can hide, they can disappear, they can appear out of the blue, and it is what it is. We just have to solve our problem, and if he is in charge of this illegal activity, definitely he has to respond. So let me show you another tweet that is pretty much the same. Duke Meta Guy Murdoch wrote this, MMTLP, Ari Rubinstein full testimony of June 27, 2017. It looks like FINRA has decided to scrap Ari from not just their website, but any iterations of him on their website from the Wayback Machine. Unfortunately, it means nothing, as it's all documented. So, quite weird activity that we are witnessing right now. And it is quite important to understand that Ari Rubinstein is not the only person who might be in charge of this illegal activity. Definitely, another person who might be involved and who is involved, according to Rare DD's due diligence, is Ken Griffin, the head of Citadel. And these people, in my opinion, must be questioned under oath in order to find out the real situation behind the scenes. So, and let me show you a quite promising tweet. It is just an opinion of another our headliner. Richard Hoffman responded to a tweet that was made by El Castazo, and El Castazo wrote, Hey Richard, do you still think that between July and December we can have a solution on the MMTLP issue? Thanks. And Richard wrote, hoping but not certainty. And guys, definitely no one knows for sure when will be the resolution and what type of resolution it might be. But definitely we are nearing this point, we are nearing this crucial point, which will be extremely important not only for MMTLP community, but for every retail investor who want to be on the US stock market. And definitely, through the MMTLP saga, we have to solve not only our problem, but we have to solve the problem of transparency of US stock market. And this, in my opinion, is the huge issue at this moment, and we have to solve it. And guys, let me tell you my personal story. I have a wife and 2 children aged 11 and 15, as well as a small dog. After 30 years of living in Russia near the Baikal Lake, we decided to move. Now we reside in Serbia. Although I don't own any MMTLP shares, I invest a lot of time creating daily MMTLP videos. I have been doing this every day without days off and holidays for more than 1.5 years. Now I wish to buy back this time from my family, from my children. We've agreed that I will ask the MMTLP community to support me, and I will give all the money to the children. Therefore, if you believe that I am providing useful content for you and wish to support me, you can join my Patreon account. For $5 a month, I will add your name to my list of supporters if you wish. Thank you in advance. The link you can find in the description below. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the